How to fix Bondee app not installed on the Android problem. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your phone settings and click on the app management, and after that you have to tap on the app settings, and here you have to search for the Google Play services or the Play Store, and once you are here you have to go on the storage and the cache and clear the cache. After clearing the cache, you have to go back and open the Wi-Fi or the data which you connect with, and here you have to forget the password and add the new one. After adding this, you have to go back and again click on the settings and go on the system. It is your phone system, and here you have to update your system. After this you have to restart your phone. So yeah, this is how you can fix Bondee app not installed on the Android phone.